Adjusting the time rate changes the speed and/or the direction of time passage. The rate at which time passes is displayed as a multiple of normal time passage, which is represented by 1x. Information about time is displayed in the top right corner of Cosmographia. You can adjust the rate at which time passes through the left toolbar, the top menu, or your keyboard. To use the left toolbar, click the clock icon. Use the arrows under rate to speed up or slow down time. Click the pair of opposite-facing arrows to reverse the rate at which time passes. Click Real Rate to set the time rate back to 1x. To use the top menu, go to the menu bar, click Time, and select your desired time controlling function. There are 5 different keyboard shortcuts available to control the rate at which time passes. To see a full list of the available time rate hotkeys, look at the keyboard shortcuts section of the user's guide. You can also see these keyboard shortcuts through the top menu.